able to get away with cleaning that with the wire brush. Everything else is by hand. A lot of it was pitted. Basically looked like this bullshit right here. Looks like a big pile of shit in there.
200 plus hours on this frame.
This is what the pipe, the silencer, looks like before we finish it. It's gonna be a fucking pain in the ass. Here's the stem and the clamps. Those will be polished up later tonight.
Good job on the pipe.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I give you props.
And here's the subframe.
It's a little bit more faded.
You want to go over it again?
It was polished on the sides at one point. I don't know if you can see the reflection, but we'll get her done. No, that's from a wire brush. And here's the godforsaken swing arm that looks like it got fucked in the ass by a fucking sandstorm. Look at that shit.
Wait, can I come this instead?
Yeah.
That looks delicious. That'll be polished later. Yeah, that's not good, is it?
Need to replace that.
Oh. Just chilling in the basement.